Today I'm going to install the ROM Manager, the BASIC Editor, save a program to a disk and run it. Using Tony Lobster's ROM library, I'm going to search for the Advanced ROM Manager, and we're going to get variant 6, the latest version. Download that and that'll be in your downloads area. And we also want the BASIC Editor. And I'm going to download version 133, which is there, and download that as such. So the next thing I need to do is burn the Advanced ROM Manager. So I'll place the ROM into the burner. With the ROMs downloaded and the ROM in the burner, we'll select the correct chip, which is the AMT28C256, and that's the 32K ROM version. Next, we wish to load the ROM Manager first, the Advanced ROM Manager. So find that, and that's there. Open, and we want to load this normally. We don't want to clear the buffer, and we want to load that at address 0 to start with. And you can see there it's populated down the side. We also want to load this at the address 4000 hexadecimal, which is at the 16K region. Again, do not clear the buffer. This is because this is a 32K ROM and these ROM images are 16K and we're not quite sure where it's loaded to. We next want to program the ROM, so we'll click the program button here. Click program. Just wait a minute. And that is the ROM programmed. We can also verify this using the verify tool at the top here, and verify that the ROM's being written correctly, and it has, and it's successful. With another ROM chip placed in the burner, I am going to now burn the editor in the exact same way. Clear the buffer this time first time round, and next time we won't. Again, address 4000 hexadecimal, and we'll click program. And verify once again. Always best to verify, saves pain later on. So the next thing to do is install the ROMs onto the computer. I'll start with the ARM and place that on the main board with the notch facing up over. Next I will install Editor, and I'll put that on my sideways ROM just here. With everything installed, it's time to power up and check to see if this has worked. So you've got the sideways RAM loaded up. If I type in help, we should see all our ROMs. And our next command is then typing the ROMs command itself, and you can see them all listed there too. The next thing that we want to do is see the Advanced ROM Manager commands. Next I'm going to type in ROMs again, and then I'm going to use the kill command to disable the MFS, so that is ROM number 3. This is because we want to use the DFS file system next. Next I'm going to press break, type in ROMs again, and you can see it's no longer there. Next I want to find out commands for DFS, so I'll type in help DFS. And we want to format a disk, so I have a disk here. Place it in drive 0. We will select drive 0 with a format of 40 we will then format 40, 0. And yes, it takes a little bit of time. For some reason it does keep coming up with that bad program. If anybody can tell us why, that would be great. However, the disk does work. So next I want to give the disk a title. I want to display what's on the disk. So with the disk formatted, let's create our first program, clear the memory, and enter the editor by pressing escape. That's on the ROM that we just installed. We'll print hello world, the good old classic, and we'll repeat that constantly. If I press escape, it goes back to the normal mode. I can save that to disk by typing in save hello. Then if I run, we'll see it running. If it powered back on again and selected to the drive, if I have a look there, I can see the program is saved as hello. If I type in run, nothing should happen. However, if I load hello and now run, our program is working. And escape to get out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I can have some more videos. If you have any idea what that error was, please let us know in the comments. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.